To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. There are upwards of 6 bolts securing the filter housing. Remove the bolts with either a 8mm or 5/16 socket. Remove the filter housing. Install your new AQ1115C filter into the housing with the bottom tabs behind the frame first. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Ideally, you'd want to set the housing on a flat surface and use both hands to apply pressure on the top half of the filter until it clicks secure. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the bolts. Close the hood.